Hi, here is step-by-step guide how to download and install MetaMask application on your iPhone. So let me scroll down and type in here App Store. Tap on App Store application. So now tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. And after that type in here MetaMask wallet and tap on this. Scroll down until you find MetaMask blockchain wallet. Tap on it and just tap on Get button right here. Wait a couple of seconds. And after that you can tap on Open button. Wait. So now you can see Welcome to MetaMask application. Tap on Get Started. And now you can import using secret recovery phrase or create a new wallet. That's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about MetaMask application.